Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling messaging so the system accepts your connection requests. Go to Account Settings, then Privacy, and set who can message you, friends, everyone, or no one. Pick what fits your safety needs. Next, confirm your email and any age verification because some messaging tools are restricted without them. Once done, open the Roblox app or website and load the Messages tab. This ensures you see incoming texts immediately and lets you proceed to send your first message without delay. You now compose the message. Choose the in-game composer or the web messages interface depending on speed and device. Click a recipient, pick a friend, or enter an exact username to avoid misdirected messages. Type a concise subject and a short body so recipients read it. Long walls of text get ignored. If needed, add a screenshot or permitted link, but check privacy settings first because attachments can be blocked. Then hit send and watch the message status for delivery confirmation and any errors. You finish by managing replies and keeping conversations tidy. Use archive or delete to remove old threads and star important chats so you find them faster. If messages don't send, make sure filters, privacy blocks, or account verification aren't preventing delivery. Review those settings and try resending. For abusive or suspicious messages, report them through Roblox Safety and save timestamps or screenshots as evidence. This closes the loop. Be proactive about safety and make sure your contact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.